Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdobying Jompi
Kajingelang jong ka second joint working group kabalalong happening ka Northeastern Council but ka National AIDS Control Organization ya kabala penlong da Kamigalia AIDS Control Society Shillong hagasngi balang ha NEC Secretariat Shillong kalaya theria tai sani halor ka jingkeu jong ki breu ki bangat hau khnyang Jingpang HIV hagari India bare ki jilna jong ka ni ka than chatai la mi ni kari India Kajing temu haba penlong ya kani kajing yalang kalong banwat ikilat kilanti kumno ban pensngoto shikipai ba nong songsnong jongkari India bat hagani kathan chatailam mingi ban Ïakhun thma prasha ya kajing saphriang jonguniu khnyang Jingpang ban weng yo sok khliang ubaki breu ki bangat hauniu khnyang Jingpang kilamat ya kajing sha iben hake imlang ka salang bat ban yarap ya ki breu ki badan yo khnyang Jingpang HIV but AIDS Hagani ka jingelang bala penyai da secretary jong ka NEC la shimbentalang da ka director jong ka Naco New Delhi ka Miss Nidhi Kesarwani ki officer jong ka NEC Naco but ki project directors jong ki State AIDS Control Society jong ki prantali ki jilna ka than chatai lam mi but ki way
Prevalence rate is much lower in the world. It is hardly 0.22%. But in Northeast, sir, it is still a very high prevalence rate that we see when we compare it from the national average. Like, sir, basically like states of Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, these all have a prevalence rate of more than 0.22%, sir. And there are new areas of concern now which are coming up as when we see our national estimates, which was recently released in the December 2020, sir. And so we can see that there is a shift in the pattern of transmission. Earlier, when this disease started with blood transfusion as one of the major source of transmission, today it is not so, sir. Rather, we don't talk about blood transfusion at all. Rather, in the Northeast, there are two major issues which are coming up. Is number one is coming up as unprotected sex, and another one is coming out as IDU, sir, the injecting drug use. That the prevalence is very high. So that means chances of an IDU catching the disease is very high. And so that is and amongst transgenders and hijras, it is the next high number. So these are the populations. The red ones are the main groups, sir. Earlier, when we started the program, sir, in 90s and in early 2000s, it was basically migrant population and the blood transfusion and pregnant mothers. These was the main identification. These were in the red zones. Now today it has turned, the tables have turned, so the new, this section is coming up. So that is why Northeast importance, because IDU is a problem here, sir.